What's going on, everybody? Nate from Sherry Chrysler here. Today we have a 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn. Firecracker red. Look at that red. Red matching grill, red matching bumper. That's how I'd have it set up. The black grill inserts. This thing's too slick. 5.7 Hemi. Chrome clad wheels. Nice street tire. Tow mirrors. Like that moose ear look. Got turn signals in the tow mirrors as well. 4x4 stylish door inserts there. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Power premium cloth seating. Would you look at that? God, I didn't mean to say that. I take that back. That's hilarious. Two different center console options here. You can put something the size of a tablet here and charge that bad boy. File folders can be held back here. It's got a nice little storage area. Sliding center console action. Phone holder. 5 different auxiliary ports options, including USB-C, which is a new thing rolling out. Not really new, but to vehicles. Brake controller, climate control, 8.4-inch Uconnect radio. You can also see your backup camera there. It's pretty sweet. 4x4 and your gear select. Now, some people ain't a fan of this, but just keep assured that you're not going to throw that thing in reverse driving on the interstate. We got your cruise control, gear limit, hands-free options, and some awesome buttons here for some buttons here for some awesome features up here in the gauge cluster. So many different things you can view up there. Adjustable foot pedals, that's a big thing for some. And tilt wheel. Let's take a look in the back. Plenty of room in here to do activities. Back seats fold up effortlessly. Got some ram bins here in the floor. Now, this is probably one of my favorite features. It's like a little stash area. Rest assured, the police know that this is here on all Rams. So if you're thinking anything crazy, don't. Let's get that fixed because I believe in leaving it better than it was left. Even for the video. So I'll have to fix it after. Yeah, I'll fix it after. Nice truck. Ram did an excellent design with the redesign. They also added this sport package. Now let me go back to the hood. Let me touch on that. Some of the sport packages have a different hood. So I failed on this video. That one don't have a different hood. Bighorn, chrome emblems, dual exhaust. Hitch with the 4-pin and 7-pin. Bed. This one does not have a bed liner, but for a price we can add them for you. That's an option. We do a lot of custom things here with the Rams, including lifting them and put bigger wheels on them. So if you don't see something you like about this and want to have a custom version, we do that here too. Sherry4x4.com. Remember, be great, ask for Nate, and buy a Sherry. Thanks, guys.